Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova Y91 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find digital balance. Now let's tap on Start and pick who will be using this device and tap on OK. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So you can see that I've been using it for 24 minutes. Most of the time I've spent on the settings. If you want to learn more about the stats of it, simply tap on this graph and you will be transferred to this dashboard. You can see how much time you've spent on the screen in particular hours. You can always tap on last 7 days, which simply means that you will be able to see the weekly report of the screen time. And here you've got also the apps which were mostly used. So basically this is it, and just a quick disclaimer about the screen time management. I think it is really useful, especially when you feel that you're spending too much time on the screen. You can set the daily screen time and your device will notify you whenever you will go over the limit. You can provide some app and service limits and kind of away time, up to you, but I really highly recommend to check those options because they will really help you to stay healthy and manage the digital balance. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.